deep dive into Turner Construction. Introduction, Mission Statement and History. Turner Construction is a worldwide general contractor recognized for infrastructure projects in nearly every sector, commercial, heavy civil, etc., along with government projects. Turner Construction originated in 1902 by Henry Turner, whose aim for the company was to provide valuable services to communities and build relationships with clients. Today, Turner pursues this same vision of delivering projects but under a new, innovative, and sustainable approach. Turner, at the time of origin, only made of a handful of employees and projects under its belt, but today the company has expanded up to over 11,000 employees and 1,500 projects a year. The photo here is a picture of the CEO, Peter DeVore. So the topics I'll be covering is the economic market, the global market, technological changes, social responsibility, ethical and diverse workplace, manager decision and goal making, Turner organizational structure, and functional strategy. Chapters will be mentioned in each slide. So the economic market. Every project requires materials, and Turner Construction's supply chain operates based on the varying prices of raw materials needed, such as steel and concrete, and external market factors such as COVID can strongly change project budgets and profits. Funding for projects can sometimes be derived from bonds and loans from stakeholders. This means managers at Turner need to look out for changes in inflation, interest rates, and trends in market prices when creating contracts. Like many other general contractors, Turner hires subcontractors to finish specific aspects of a project. This means managers take into account the wages and supply of laborers when creating the budget for a project. Global market. The market demand for sustainable infrastructure is rising. According to the United Nations, 70% of the world population is expected to live in urban areas, and this global shift indicates a lasting opportunities for Turner Construction to change future infrastructure. Since climate change is one of the main global challenges today, Turner has committed to following global policies about environmental and sustainable project design. Green building certifications such as LEED indicate practices of sustainability. Turner International is an expansion of the company into different markets worldwide into more than 60 countries. And the photo here is an example of a worldwide expansion in Turkey. Technological changes. Turner has adapted and integrated innovative technologies to improve their systems of operation. One of the most notable technologies used is building information modeling, BIM, where 3D models can be used to plan the construction and design of a building. Turner's unique technological approach to project completion is why members choose to stay at Turner. VDC, Virtual Design Construction, takes a step further into detailed virtual pre-construction through the use of VR. Turner has taken these steps to save time and money during pre-construction. One example of Turner using advanced technologies is through improving crane efficiency with AI, artificial intelligence, and IoT, Internet of Things. These systems help collect data about the cycle of crane operations, and the data helps with scheduling tasks and ensuring safety on site. And the photo here is of Turner managers using the virtual technology. Social responsibility. Turner's ESG, Environmental, Social, and Governance program outlines their actions towards being socially responsible. Turner aims to deliver sustainable projects that minimize the carbon footprint through minimizing waste, energy consumption, and damaging to the existing ecosystem. Construction is an inherently dangerous field, and Turner adopts a living injury-free, everyday safety culture for employees to feel safe at the workplace. Managers are responsible for ensuring and implementing safety measures on site. Turner engages in serving the local community through volunteering with food pantries, homeless shelters, and charities, and provides resources to address community needs. Ethical and diverse workplace. In 2021, Turner established an Inclusion Action Committee to reduce hurtful biases within a company when it comes to management, recruiting, and performance evaluations. Turner sets clear expectations to employees about values of integrity and compliance to policy. Turner's business conduct policy ensures that they're participating in fair competition and that any instances of bribery or gift receiving from competitors in a project is prohibited. Turner's national anti-harassment policy ensures a safe and comfortable work environment. Turner's vision for 2030 is to build diversity to where employees reflect the communities they're serving at every level of the company, and the image is each level of the company and their diversity. Manager decision and goal making. Turner sets ambitious, smart goals to help continue their growth into the future. Some of these goals include zero carbon emission and projects set by 2040, improve safety measures to build on an injury-free work environment, strive for every project to be within the designated budget and schedule while addressing client needs, improve DEI through recruitment, training, and other efforts for diverse leadership. Managers at Turner use decision-making frameworks, Hoshin Canary, sharing objectives amongst members at different organizational levels, and A3 problem solving, identifying root causes and solutions of a problem concisely in a project on an A3 size paper to document the process. Turner organizational structure and functional strategy. Turner adopts a decentralized organizational structure. Regional groups work on their own, and managers are capable of working independently from headquarters to improve efficiency. Turner construction is divided into executive leadership, leaders who set national standards for the company's goals, culture, and partnerships, regional and divisional leadership, leaders who operate within certain geographical areas, and project groups, managers and workers on site dealing with operations and support resources, HR, legal, and financial teams on the project. Turner relies on several functional strategies such as lean construction, minimizing waste while maximizing quality, and integrated project delivery, where key members of the project, owner, contractor, or subcontractor come together and collaborate to develop project goals. Conclusion and takeaways from Turner. Turner's success as a general contractor relies not only in their processes of work, but in their innovative approaches to sustainability and problem solving. Turner's awareness of the economic market, opportunities of expansion globally, the importance of diversity in serving the community, and ethical and strategic decision-making is their key factors to fulfilling the company's mission. Thank you.